Hello everyone, and welcome to Speed English. Let me ask you a simple question. How many grammar rules have you learned, but still feel nervous when it's time to speak English? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many learners spend months studying grammar. They know the rules, they complete exercises, they pass tests, but when someone asks them a simple question in English, they freeze. Why does this happen? Because grammar helps you understand a language, but grammar alone does not teach you how to speak it. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't begin by studying grammar books. They listen. They copy. They make mistakes. They try again. Little by little, they become confident speakers. You can learn English in a similar way. This does not mean grammar is useless. Grammar is important, but it should support your speaking, not stop it. Many learners wait until they know every grammar rule before they start speaking. The problem is that day never comes. There is always another rule to learn, another tense to remember, another exception to memorize. Instead of waiting, start speaking with the English you already know. Simple sentences are enough. For example, instead of trying to create a long and perfect sentence, say something short and clear. I'm happy today. I like coffee. I'm learning English. These simple sentences build confidence, and confidence helps you speak more. The more you speak, the more natural grammar becomes. Another mistake many learners make is translating every sentence from their native language. This slows you down. Instead, try to connect English words directly with ideas and pictures. When you see a book, think book. When you drink water, think I'm drinking water. This small habit trains your brain to think in English. Learning useful phrases is also more effective than memorizing grammar rules. Instead of learning only the word busy, learn the complete phrase, I'm busy right now. Instead of learning only the word ready, learn, I'm ready to go. Your brain remembers complete expressions more easily, and you can use them in real conversations. Listening is another key to fluency. Listen to easy English every day. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Your brain is learning patterns, pronunciation, and rhythm. The more you listen, the more familiar English becomes. Speaking is just as important. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. Talk about your plans. Ask yourself simple questions and answer them out loud. Every minute of speaking is valuable practice. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not proof that you are failing. They are proof that you are learning. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The difference is that they didn't stop practicing. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. If people understand your message, you are already using English successfully. As your confidence grows, your grammar will improve naturally through reading, listening, speaking, and regular practice. So don't let grammar become a wall between you and your goals. Use grammar as a guide, not as a reason to stay silent. From today, try something different. Spend less time worrying about perfect grammar. Spend more time listening. Spend more time speaking. Spend more time thinking in English. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice can make a big difference over time. Progress is not about becoming perfect in 1 week. It is about becoming a little better every single day. One sentence becomes one conversation. One conversation becomes confidence. And confidence becomes fluency. Believe in yourself. You already know more English than you think. Now it's time to use it. Thank you so much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Speed English, and leave a comment telling me one thing you will do today to improve your English speaking. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. And I'll see you in the next lesson.